Hey, how's it going, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today I just actually went to the gym, and I'm going to be sharing a little bit about the workout I did today and also what I'm eating today as well. So if you're new to my channel, I've been eating plant-based for over 10 years. I enjoy exercising, being active, getting out on walks and hikes, and getting sunshine, and also going to the gym. I also practice intermittent fasting as well. So thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. So today at the gym, I did upper body. Right now I'm doing a little training for a half marathon, so I'm not really doing a lot of lower body legs right now, just 'cause I'm trying to save my legs for the running. But some upper body work. I did the work. I headed out to the gym about 10:30. So right now it's about 11:45, headed back home, gonna get cleaned up, get back to work, and then break my fast. I generally break my fast around 1 p.m. and I do like to work out fasted, so I'll usually work out somewhere around 11 a.m., give or take an hour. Drink some water throughout the morning, stay nice and hydrated. So that's how I do it there. And currently strength training 2 to 3 days a week and running 2 to 3 days a week as well. So a good balance between cardio and strength training. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me show you some clips from the video of my workout today, and then I'll show you what I'll be eating today as well. And if you haven't yet checked out my plant-based recipe ebook, I have the link in the description box below the video. These are some of my favorite recipes, some things that I eat on a regular basis, so definitely check it out. It'll keep you healthy, feeling good, and strong in the gym as well. All right, here it is. At the gym around 11 a.m. and I just did 5 sets total, 1 set of each move. So right now, on this day, I just did upper body, saving my legs for some running. The first set I did was weighted pull-ups. So I went pretty hard on this, gave it everything I had because I was just doing 1 set. Got a little weight in between my legs, and I went until I couldn't go anymore, maxing out, and then I ended up dropping the weight and doing a little more. So that's the trick to get stronger, have good muscle. You got to really push it hard. That's what I've found. And no need for me to do a lot of sets. I don't need to do a whole lot of sets, spend a whole lot of time in the gym, but just go hard for like 1 set on each move. And that's really all I need. There it is right there. So in between sets, I like to rest maybe 3-4 minutes and have some recovery time so I'm nice and ready to go for my next set since I'm going so hard on these sets. So my second set was dumbbell flat bench. And I just like to come down to about 90 degrees. I find if I come too low with the movement on this one, it can twinge my shoulder. So just to be on the safe side, I just come to 90 degrees. I know certain people don't like that. They like to come all the way down on this, but this is just how I do it. My third set was weighted dips. So I got a dumbbell between the legs and pumping out the dips there. And I'm going for generally at least 15 reps. Once I get more than 15 reps on these moves, I increase the weight. So that's how I'm doing it right now. I also ended up doing a set of bicep curls and a set of ab rollers, but I didn't record that. So that was my 5 sets, just those 5 things. And it was a good workout, stretched out, some good stretching at the end of that as well. There's my last rep, pushing it out. Then I came home, got cleaned up, and I broke my fast at 1 p.m. I started with a smoothie. It was a little over a liter. It had 3 bananas, 2 cups of mixed frozen berries. It had almond milk, coconut water, some cinnamon, and some peanut butter. So really delicious, good way to break the fast. Then about 3 p.m., I had a grapefruit, then some pineapple, then I had a banana and a few dates. So more fruit. I love that fruit. At 5 p.m., I made this salad. It had mixed greens. It had cucumber, tomato, apple, cashews, avocado, and a little bit of vegan ranch dressing mixed in as well. Then finally at 6 p.m., I had this veggie Thai curry with rice, really delicious, and a couple of slices of Dave's seeded bread with some jam on top. Good way to finish it off. And then I had some of these dark chocolate covered mangoes, really delicious as well. So that was the food for the day. Also, make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook. I have the link in the description box below the video. Super delicious recipes, satisfying, nutritious, and it's going to keep you going strong, healthy all year long. So these are things I eat on a regular. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.